Want to know how to find your crypto wallet address on OKX? In this video, I will guide you on how to locate it in just a few taps. First of all, launch open the OKX app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, make sure to log into your account. From this drop down, you want to select Web3, which will bring you to the Wallet tab. If you haven't created your wallet, go ahead and tap on the Create Wallet option and create your wallet. From here, you want to choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example, Ethereum. Once selected, you want to tap on Receive. Now you'll see your unique wallet address for that specific crypto and network. Make sure you're on the correct blockchain network like BTC, ERC20, TRC20 before sharing the address. Sending crypto to the wrong network can result in permanent loss. You'll see both a QR code and the full address in text form. You can copy it tapping the copy button or share it directly through messaging app if anyone needs to send you crypto. And that's it. You found your OKX wallet address. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.